Hello everyone, my name is Amanda and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my bullet journal setup for May and hopefully you'll get some inspiration. For this month I wanted to go a very different direction than previously and keep it very minimalistic and monochromatic. I'm using only 3 different pens, 2 black micron fine liners in 005 and 01, and then a Faber-Castell Pit Artist pen in Cool Grey number 3. The theme for this month is music, which is something that is very important to me. The cover page is a very simple illustration of a pair of headphones. Below I made a tiny monthly calendar and then just added a few shadows to the drawing with a grey marker. Next page is the monthly overview, which is different from my usual one. This one fills up 2 pages and I think I like this a little bit better, but I'll have to see how it works for me once I start using it. I just made 5 lines with the grey marker and spaced the days of the month evenly so each day has an invisible box. To the left of the calendar I made a little place for the songs I listen to the most during the month. Next spread is a habit tracker. And this is the first one I've made that's so extensive. I don't know, I'll have to see if I even remember to use it, but I think it came out very nice. So at the top I have daily things that I want to accomplish or remember, like drinking water and exercising, and at the bottom I'm going to try to track my mood, light being good mood and dark being bad mood. Lastly, there's my first weekly spread, and this one is only 1 page compared to my usual double pages. I wanted to try and see how this works as well. Well, I'm really happy with how this month turned out. I really like the simple and clean look. If you have any thoughts on this month's spread, then please let me know. If you have any questions or ideas, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in my next one.